In today's video, I'm going to teach you how to view a Jira board. Whether you're new to Jira or just need a quick refresher, this guide will walk you through the process step by step. By the end of this video, you'll be comfortable navigating Jira to access the boards relevant to your work. Let's dive in. First things first, we need to get you to the starting line. Open your web browser and log into Jira. Once you're logged in, you'll find yourself at the dashboard, a central hub for all things Jira. The first action you'll want to take is to locate the section named Your Work. This is usually accessible from the main navigation menu. On this page, you'll find a comprehensive overview of all your current Jira assignments, tasks, and projects. It's essentially your go-to spot for all your personal Jira activity. So make sure you're familiar with this area as it serves as a jumping off point for everything else you do on this platform. Next, you'll want to identify the specific project you wish to explore further. Within the Your Work section, there's a list or grid of projects laid out for you. Carefully scan through these options and select the one pertinent to the board you wish to view. If you haven't already been set up with projects, you might need to reach out to your Jira admin for the appropriate access. Selecting this project is crucial as it serves as a filter that will help you zero in on the precise board you need. Now that you've chosen the project, it's time to actually access the board itself. This is where you'll be spending the bulk of your time, as it visually organizes all tasks, issues, and sprints in a manageable layout. To do this, look for a button or a menu option labeled Board within the project's interface. Give that a click. This action will direct you to the main board area of the selected project, often a dynamic space filled with columns that represent various stages of your work process. One of the key benefits of accessing a Jira board is the seamless visualization of your project pipeline. A typical board displays tasks in cards, and these cards can be dragged and dropped between columns, allowing you to track the progress from one step to the next. This kind of visualization helps you quickly identify bottlenecks in your workflow and address them efficiently. For newcomers, interfacing with the board in this drag and drop manner might seem novel, but it becomes second nature with a bit of practice. Let me offer you some useful tips here. As you're getting accustomed to the board, you may find it helpful to experiment with various views and filters. Jira allows you to personalize how information is displayed on the board. Look for filter options to tailor the view according to your current needs, be it by priority, assignee, or sprint. Mastering these filters will streamline your project tracking and optimize your workflow. Navigating to different views within the board can also be done through the left side panel, which offers options like backlog, active sprints, and reports. Explore these areas to see which view best helps you stay organized and informed. One more tip, keep your board updated. It's easy to put this off, but regularly moving tasks between columns and updating their statuses keeps everyone on the same page and ensures smooth project progress. This is especially important in collaborative environments where multiple team members are relying on the board to reflect the most current state of work. If you're managing multiple projects, you might want to explore the option of creating shortcuts or bookmarks in your web browser. This can save you time by allowing you to jump directly to frequently accessed boards without having to navigate through several menus. And there you have it, a straightforward guide to viewing your Jira board. Remember that as you spend more time with this tool, you'll likely find your own workflows and shortcuts that enhance efficiency. Jira is meant to be a flexible tool that adapts to your work style, so don't hesitate to explore and experiment within the platform. Thank you for following along in this tutorial. I hope you now feel more confident and equipped to navigate your way through Jira boards. If you have any questions or need further assistance, feel free to reach out. Make sure to like this video if you found it helpful, share it with your fellow team members who might also benefit, and subscribe for more step-by-step guides like this one. Happy project managing, and we'll see you next time.